Vita Morning. So tinatawag na ako, pupunta na ako sa ating digital studio para sa live draw natin ngayon para sa car. Okay? Samahan niyo ako to go to our digital lab. Okay? So excited na tayong lahat, no? Kung sino ang mananalo ng ating brand new Suzuki Dzire. Okay, so this is the digital lab kung saan natin ginagawa ang ating lahat ng Zoom, Sizzle, webinars, and pagka may FB Live, dito natin ginagawa lahat. And, okay, tingnan lang natin kung saan yung ating Zoom webinar studio. Okay, dito yung digital studio natin na kung saan yung ating mga speakers would do their webinars every day. Okay, so ito ang ating studio. And then let's go now to where the live happens. Okay? Ayun pala ang department ni Miss Vita. Okay, ito na. Okay. So, syempre, okay. So, ito ang ating digital studio. Okay, so this is the tech booth. Ito yung technical booth. So lahat may kanya-kanyang mga assignments. Okay. Medyo madaming equipments. So these are all the equipments that we use every time we do our live. Okay. And then, meron ding green screen. Ito yung katawag na green screen kung saan parang magic. Kasi yung equipment sa atin with the green screen, dyan nangyayari mga effects. Okay? So, yung mga effect na yan yung nagbibigay sa akin ng iba't ibang klase na backgrounds. Kunyari, nasa stage ako or nasa garden. So, lahat ng gusto ko na maging background, kahit na hindi ako lumabas, yan yung effect na mangyayari. Okay, so they're meron silang mark kung saan ako dapat tumayo. Okay? Kasi ito lang dito lang ako po pwede tumayo para kitang-kita sa camera yung angle na gusto nilang ma-achieve. Okay? So this is the entire setup of our digital studio. So ganyan ang behind the scenes. Ganito ang nangyayari behind the scenes. Ang nakita lang ninyo syempre kapag live na ako, pero ito ang mga nangyayari sa likod ng camera. Okay? So, sinesenyasan na nila ako na it's already time. Okay? In a few seconds, I'll be seeing you doon na sa ating digital na stage, pero dito lang rin yon sa ating studio. Okay? So, see you in a few seconds. Okay, so great morning, Vita people. We are live. So here at the 8th floor Digital Studio Santry Tower for the 9th raffle draw of our Road to 20 promo. We are really unstoppable. Nothing can stop us from giving away brand new cars every month. And today, one very lucky dealer will take home the brand new 2021 Suzuki Dzire. Andiyan na po sa baba, color white. Ang ganda. Siyempre, bago tayo dumiretso sa pinakahintay nating raffle, gusto ko po munang pasalamatan kayo, Vita people, dahil sa inyong suporta at naging successful ang Kabaitaan Virtual Sizzle noong March 27. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood, and I hope that after that event, you are finally in control of your life, in control of your success. And I hope that all of you are making it happen now. At bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy sa raffle, i-acknowledge po muna natin ang mga live viewers natin today. Let me do a shout out. Great morning po to Leslie Olandria all the way from Singapore. Hello, Leslie. Shona Gulam of Team Amazing. Gigs Manolong of Ultimate Power Cebu. Monisa Candaro of Team Vita Dreamers. Ali Riza Bereber from Team Bunso of Iloilo City. We have Joseph Romero, hello. Faith Rublica from Bohol. Winifredo Saimo from Laguna, hello po. Hello, Joy De Leon watching from Product Center Cebu, of course, hello. We have Ruchel Versero and Brian Debara watching with the Gigi Fountain 2N FBP products. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat din po sa ating top 10 fans na araw-araw ay talagang nakatutok sa ating Facebook page. Sila po ay sina Alicia Olaivar, Jock Banyares, Shirley Ogatis, Abby Ramirez, Eileen Mata, Jenaline Pereira, Mark Rubion, hello, Margie Gonzalez, Donna Villa Malazarte, and Chia, hello Chia Tuyan. At syempre po, ang ating top 3 fans for the month of March 2021 ay, eto na po, sina Elvira Apostol, Daisy Capito, and Cherry Rose Valerio. Congratulations po sa inyo. Makakatanggap po kayo ng 1 Protect Kit set each. Meron po yung 4 pieces na antibacterial soaps, 1 Sanitwise, and 1 alcohol lotion. So, very timely talaga ang mga products na yan, di ba po? So, again, congratulations po sa inyo. So, Vita people, it is really important that we are aware and well-informed of what's happening right now. Kaya naman po, Dr. Alan Hernandez is back to give us a health update. So I'm inviting all of you po to attend this very special health talk. Today po yan entitled Updates on the Pandemic and How First Vita Plus Can Help. By one of our FEP doctors, of course, Dr. Alan Hernandez, an internist and endocrinologist. Mamaya, after this, 2 p.m. po via Vita Zoom. And we are down to our last shout out before we proceed to our raffle. Again, great morning and hello po sa mga nanonood ngayon. Let me greet Mitch Castillo of Team Castle Cabuyao, Laguna. Marlon Garcia, Divine Cabaluna ng Team DB Iron Eagles. We also have Marisa Montilla of the Tiger Achiever San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. We have Lencio Malubay of Team Generals ng Cagayan de Oro City. Hello po. Joanna Dagsaan ng Iligan Infinite Champions, Dagsaan Group, Mindanao. We have Luz Beminda Postre ng Team Extreme. We have JV Team Legazpi all the way from Albay, Bicol. And Mercy Gayapa from American Samoa. Tama po ba? Okay. So, thank you so much everyone. Nandito na tayo sa most exciting part ng ating FB Live. Hindi ko na po kayo bibitinin pa. Alam kong kanina pa kayo nag-aabang kung sino ang maswerteng dealer na mag-uuwi ng brand new 2021 Suzuki Desire. Ang tanong, ready ka na ba? Ready na po ba kayong lahat, Vita people? Can you count with me? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Okay, so we will be waiting for the winner. Okay, we will be waiting for the winner. Anyway, I just would like again to invite everybody after this FB Live, ang ating pong Vita Zoom with Dr. Hernandez, okay, Alan Hernandez, para po sa ating webinar, okay? So we have a winner now. Okay, we already have a winner. We're just verifying it. Okay, nagve-verify lang po ang ating IT people who are with us here today before they officially give me the name, the VA number, and where it's from before I read it out loud. Okay? So, okay. So we have a winner. Okay, the winner is from Canada? Okay, from I Move Canada. Okay, the BA number is 0313-8720 and the winner's name is Judith Judith. Si Judith Banahera Vino. Okay, congratulations to you, Judith Banahera Vino. You just won a brand new 2021 Suzuki Desire. Okay. At pwedeng-pwede mo na pong i-claim at i-uwi yung brand new car on Monday, April 12 because tomorrow is a holiday. Although may pasok pa rin po ang second floor, okay, but the main office here at the 8th floor is closed, so you can claim it starting April 12, that is a Monday. Mula dito pa rin po sa ating Santry Tower, First Vita Plus main office. At syempre, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang chance ninyong manalo dahil we still have 9 brand new cars to be raffled off hanggang sa ating grand raffle draw sa ating 20th anniversary celebration in 2022. Every month ay may chance kang manalo ng bagong sasakyan. Kaya ano bang hinihintay mo? Baka ikaw na ang susunod na mag-uwi ng brand new 2021 Suzuki Desire. Simula April 1 to April 30, 2021 ay kasama sa raffle na ito. Mayroon ka pang 22 days para humataw. At lagi mong tatandaan na mas maraming power pack ang bibilin mo, mas maraming e-raffle tickets ang makukuha mo. So, Vita people, that's all for today. See you again next month. Live na live pa rin po dito sa ating official Facebook page. So, stay safe, stay healthy,